Exploring the field of computational neuroscience and brain modeling involves studying the brain's complex functions and behaviors using computational and mathematical approaches. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Understand the basics of neuroscience. Begin by gaining a basic understanding of neuroscience, the scientific study of the nervous system, including the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. Learn about the structure and function of neurons, nerve cells, neural circuits, and brain regions involved in various cognitive, sensory, and motor processes. Learn computational and mathematical techniques. Familiarize yourself with computational and mathematical techniques used in neuroscience research. Study concepts from mathematics, statistics, computer science, and engineering, including differential equations, linear algebra, probability theory, signal processing, and machine learning. Understand how these techniques are applied to model neural systems and brain function. Explore neural modeling approaches. Dive into different approaches to modeling neural systems and brain function. Learn about biophysical models that simulate the electrical and biochemical properties of individual neurons and synapses. Explore network models that represent interactions between multiple neurons and brain regions. Study abstract models that capture emergent properties of neural systems without detailed biophysical realism. Study neuroinformatics and data analysis. Explore neuroinformatics, the field that combines neuroscience with informatics, data science, and computational methods. Learn about databases, software tools, and repositories for storing, analyzing, and sharing neuroscientific data. Study data analysis techniques for processing neural recordings, such as electrophysiological data, e.g., spike trains, local field potentials, and neuroimaging data, e.g., fMRI, EEG, MEG. Understand neural coding and information processing. Investigate how neurons encode and process information in the brain. Learn about neural coding principles, such as rate coding, temporal coding, population coding, and sparse coding. Explore theories of information processing in neural circuits, including feed-forward and feedback processing, pattern recognition, and hierarchical organization. Explore brain mapping and connectomics. Learn about efforts to map the structure and connectivity of the brain at various spatial and temporal scales. Study techniques such as diffusion tensor imaging, DTI, tractography, and connectome mapping for reconstructing neural circuits and networks. Explore the organization of brain networks and the principles underlying functional connectivity and network dynamics. Study computational models of brain disorders. Explore computational models of brain disorders and neurological diseases. Learn how computational neuroscience approaches are used to study the mechanisms underlying conditions such as epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, schizophrenia, and depression. Investigate how computational models can inform diagnosis, treatment, and therapeutic interventions. Engage with neural simulation software. Familiarize yourself with neural simulation software tools and platforms used for building and simulating computational models of neural systems. Explore software packages such as Neuron, Nest, Brian, Genesis, and MATLAB-based toolboxes for simulating neural dynamics, synaptic plasticity, and network activity. Experiment with building and running simulations of neural circuits. Stay informed about computational neuroscience research. Keep up to date with the latest research, developments, and breakthroughs in the field of computational neuroscience. Follow scientific journals, publications, and conferences that cover computational neuroscience, brain modeling, and neural computation. Participate in interdisciplinary collaborations and research initiatives to advance the field. Contribute to computational neuroscience. Consider contributing to the field of computational neuroscience through your own research, projects, or initiatives. Explore research questions and topics that interest you, whether it's understanding fundamental principles of neural computation, modeling specific brain functions, or developing computational tools and techniques. Collaborate with other researchers, scientists, and practitioners to address challenging problems and advance our understanding of the brain. By following these steps and immersing yourself in the field of computational neuroscience and brain modeling, you can gain insights into the principles underlying brain function and behavior, as well as contribute to interdisciplinary efforts to unravel the mysteries of the mind.